So any politician from this area, as you see, they are fighting for their lives because the British have seen the place as area they conquered from the war. And that's why the Igbos cannot represent Nigeria. You see this idiot, another idiot, they call Minister of Works, David Umahi. You know? So, just tell me, they use that one to destabilize the Southeast. When they talk, they cannot be that again. That's why he's minister. This is nuisance value. Makes him minister.
Wow.
You know? They cannot be slave again. Who made the Ebonyi slave? Abakaliki had a telephone, had electricity, my town had nothing. The former governor of Premier of Eastern Nigeria, Sir Francis Ibiam, was from Ebonyi State. Obara was from neighboring to Afibo. Do anybody say anything? But for him to get the favor of Lagos, he must criticize Anambra people. He must fight Anambra people.
Before getting
anything that comes to him, we must say he must be about. If not, there will be trouble. They give him what has he achieved for the Igbo people? Chairman of governors, Southeast governors. What did he achieve? Today, the governor doesn't come to a meeting, doesn't come to Igbo gathering, so they will send the representative. Why are they running? Because they must show make to Lagos that Ebonyi is not Igbo must again to save his neck and his iron presidency. Tell me some of man as a president, what you do for him?
Yeah, bro, Mike, you know, if we're going deep into this Nigeria...
If you don't know history, you don't know politics.
Yes.
You know where they're coming.
Yes.
You must know history for you to know where they're coming. And where they're going.
Yes.
The nuisances that they're representing us in the federal government today, they are not there because they are Igbos. They are there for nuisance value they carry along. If Igbo people to appoint a minister, we would think Igbo will appoint people like Umahi. King David Hospital, and Margaret Umahi International Market. So only his family lives in the Ebonyi State.
Hey.
And he has the gut to tell others that Igbo people, Anambra people, make them slave. He is making his people slave because we have some Igbo there as governor. He never named anything, even straight after his name. We had another one that was there before this man came in. None of them named anything else. But Umahi came there, he built hospital, King David's Hospital. David is him. And he's king, that's his ambition. King David Hospital. Then you built another one, International Market. He said Margaret Umahi International Market, his mother. Then the airport he was building, probably he was named that one after his father too, before the Buhari came in. So psycho-fancy. You know? And then he will have the gut to be insulting people, calling the Igbo people names, that they made the Ebonyi people slaves, that they were slaves. On Anambra today is overrun by Ebonyi. Almost the whole traders in Anambra today, some of them are from Ebonyi State, and then Enugu State. And well, Anambra people are not complaining because we trained them. Our fathers sent people of us outside, and then built a shop for these guys. And then they are the beneficiaries of the thing. Nobody, Anambra might complain that they're Ebonyi. But these people who in their politics are people who are causing the division. You know, because if they don't do it, they will be in trouble.
Wow.
Today, if anything bad happens in Anambra State, you pick the guy and say, Ebonyi. It's not a lie. You won't even know that they are from Ebonyi until they come into
yeah.
But they are everywhere. But Anambra's people's nature, we are not after who is there, who is not, but do the right thing, do your business, get your money. We are doing our business, everyone minds his business. Anambra people are not in the habit of where are you from? Go. No. Anybody who does it, we frown at it because every human being has the right to live. But these hatchet people, these little minds, always look for areas to favor people who are oppressors so they can get space. Put me anywhere. Wike today is the minister of the federal capital because he said he's from Benin, even when he cannot trace his roots in Benin. Because it's a black hostility. He joined IPOBs. He got rewarded. David Umahi is a federal minister today because of what? He's causing problem in the Hanese and everything in Igbo. Trying to tell a boy that, hey, we cannot. Who made you slave? Because you served. We served. I was a boy before I became what I left school and went to boy. A boy is going to school. Hey, we are being trained by someone else.